Well, hello. This one's mostly for parents, but kids, if you're watching, hello to you too. Um, it's the end of second grade. Normally, at the end of the school year, we give a bunch of tests. Kids love tests. If we didn't give a bunch of big tests at the end of the school year, they'd be crying and they'd be so sad. And it's probably what they're going to do at your house. So, I have some tests. Now, in seriousness, this is the kind of stuff we would use just to make sure kids are on track. If you choose, please, there's no obligation to do this, but if you choose either this week or next week or anytime this summer, and you'd like to have your students sit down and do this, then do it. If you don't want to do it, don't worry about it. But I have this science test, and this was in the folder of papers that you brought home. And what you're going to find is 18 questions about just everything that second graders learn about science. Have your students sit down at a table, get rid of the distractions, give them some peace and quiet, and let them answer the questions. It's a science test, not a reading test, so if there's a word they don't know, help them out with it, please. When you're done, if you'd like me to give you the answer for it, or give you the answer key, or grade it for you, or you just want to talk about it, you're concerned about the results, let me know. I'm happy to help out with any of that. Same deal here, math. There's actually, looks like 2 of them that I sent home with math. This says middle of year test, but this is something I would use at the end of the year. And here's a performance assessment test. These are going to be kind of hard. These, especially this performance assessment, this would be similar to what you might see in 3rd grade. So if you want to get a sense of how your child is doing, give them some time. With the math test, make sure they have multiple pencils, erasers, and then scratch paper, like extra sheets of just blank paper that they can use to do their arithmetic, draw pictures. But they shouldn't have a calculator, they shouldn't have a computer or any other aids like that. Give them a chance to see what they can do all by themselves. And again, if you want help figuring out what it means or evaluating it, I'm happy to grade it for you. I'm happy to talk with you about it at any time. So there you have it. End of the year test. If you choose to do it, enjoy it. Talk to you soon.